Imagine if instead of taking meds for MS, we could just rewrite the immune system's instructions. No more guessing. No more, please stop eating my nerves. That sounds like sci-fi, but doctors are actually testing this right now. So today we're asking a question that used to sound ridiculous. Will gene therapy actually cure MS? And the answer is way more complicated and more interesting than a simple yes or no. Because the immune system did not read the instruction manual. Hooked? Good. Let's open the manual. We'll answer that. Honestly, by the end. Stay for the reveal. Your immune system wakes up one day and chooses violence. MS isn't just damage. It's bad instructions. It's like your immune system is running Windows 95 and refuses to update. In MS, it flags myelin, the insulation on your nerves, as an intruder. Fray the insulation and signals short circuit. Cue numbness, fatigue, vision issues, balance, mobility. A chronic progressive disease with no known cure. When you hear gene therapy, you picture glowing green goo, creating superheroes, or a Hulk with weird pants problems. Reality, less dramatic, more clever. It's not changing who you are. It's giving a specific group of cells a new job. Scientists take some of your immune cells out. They use a disabled virus, a reformed getaway driver delivering pizza, to add new instructions. The code, not self-destruct, but stand down on myelin. It tells T cells, that's one of ours. Stand down. Peacekeepers, not brawlers. Multiply the edited cells by the millions and infuse them back. Target. Find inflammation and calm it down. Retraining, not erasure. Okay. And this is where gene therapy stops sounding exciting and starts sounding terrifying. Permanent changes mean profound unknowns. The delivery tool is exquisitely engineered, but it's still a virus. What if it parks in the wrong spot? Off-target effects are every geneticist's nightmare. Edit one sentence in a 3 billion letter library and smear the book next to it. Maybe the one titled, How to Not Get Cancer. These changes are permanent. There's no pushing the Ctrl+Z buttons to undo biology. MS varies. Genetics, environment, pathways. One key won't open every lock. Many locks, many keys. Timing matters. Stopping new attacks doesn't reverse old damage. You can't turn back the clock or unbreak the china. Repair can be beautiful, but it's still repair. Brain and spinal cord are VIP. BBB keeps most things out, even help. Stopping inflammation is step 1. Remyelination and nerve regrowth are another field. Gene therapy fixes the cause of the fire. It doesn't rebuild the house. Today, early 2026, no. Not in the way you're hoping. Not a universal, next-year reversal for everyone. Risks are high. Unknowns abound. Practical hurdles are immense. But for some, a refined, specific, one-time therapy might halt disease activity. Early diagnosis could mean preventing a lifetime of disability. That's worth pursuing with rigor. Hope without hype. Progress is slow and messy. The marathon, not the sprint. This is a frontier. Exciting, untamed, and far from settled. We're in early phase trials. Priority 1, safety. First, prove it doesn't harm before asking if it helps. Every data point scrutinized. Some adapt CAR-T to build regulatory T cells, peacekeepers protecting myelin. Others target B cells, also implicated in MS. Quiet work, meticulous, over years, millimeters at a time. Let's allow a moment of earned hope. 15 years from now. Early MS confirmed. She's offered a single, targeted cell therapy. Procedure no more dramatic than a blood transfusion. And then, nothing. Checkups, no new lesions. Attacks stop. She finishes college, starts a career, travels, has a family. MS becomes a footnote. She doesn't think of herself as a person with MS. She's just Sarah. That's the dream. The goal. Here's the reveal. The true endgame is preventing MS before it starts. One-time genetic inoculation for high-risk people that teaches myelin equals friend. A quiet revolution from reaction to prevention. So will gene therapy cure MS? Maybe not yet. But for the first time, researchers aren't just treating MS, they're trying to stop it from happening in the first place. And that's a future worth paying attention to. If you want realistic, no-fluff updates on where MS research is actually heading, you're in the right place. Hit like and subscribe.